Hello everyone and welcome back. This video will show you how, why, and when to use semicolons. You can say semicolon with a dash, that's okay too. Using punctuation the right way will help people understand your writing. Semicolons are mainly used in these three ways. Number 1, replacing FANBOYS conjunctions. The teacher asked us to line up at the door, semicolon, nobody listened to her. Number 2, with conjunctive adverbs, THAMO. It was a beautiful day to walk in the park, semicolon, however I had to work all day. Or as a super comma, we ordered maps of London, England, semicolon, Shanghai, China, semicolon, and Tokyo, Japan. Let's discuss what each of these rules means. Number 1, replacing FANBOYS conjunctions. FANBOYS conjunctions, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so, connect two independent clauses that are related or logical together. You can think of independent clauses as complete sentences. These words connect two complete sentences into one. Usually they look like this. The baby birds weren't hungry, so the parents had already fed them. You can replace that so with a semicolon if the sentences are related or logical. The baby birds weren't hungry, semicolon, the parents had already fed them. It still makes sense. We understand the connection. I would like a cheeseburger, and my sister wants to order pizza. We can replace that because it just makes sense. Both are okay. I would like a cheeseburger, semicolon, my sister wants to order pizza. Or, she wanted to buy a newspaper for her mom was on the front page. Again, a logical connection. We can take it out if we want. She wanted to buy a newspaper, semicolon, her mom was on the front page. Number 2, with conjunctive adverbs and the acronym THAMO. THAMO is a way to remember the most common conjunctive adverbs. Therefore, however, also, meanwhile, and otherwise. In the sentence with these words, put the semicolon before the THAMO word and a comma after the THAMO word. There's plenty of time to get home. We don't need to rush. Let's make this one sentence. There's plenty of time to get home, semicolon, therefore we don't need to rush. My neighbor aced his math test. He got 99% on his English quiz. Putting them together, my neighbor aced his math test, semicolon, also he got 99% on his English quiz. Let's get some rest. You'll fall asleep while you drive tomorrow. Putting them together. Let's get some rest, semicolon, otherwise you'll fall asleep while you drive tomorrow. Conjunctive adverbs need to use a semicolon in the middle of a sentence. And rule number 3, the super comma. Usually, you should separate items on a list with commas. She can build, plan, and finish the assignment. I like red, blue, and yellow. That bear is huge, angry, and hungry. Very simple to use commas. However, sometimes there are already commas in the items in the list. Then you'll need to use a super comma, semicolon. The best 3 players on the team are John, the goalie, Jose, the striker, and Dan, the defender. This does not make sense. Using a semicolon, we can see what it means. The best 3 players on the team are John, the goalie, Jose, the striker, and Dan, the defender. It's much more clear using semicolons. You should buy cheese, bread, and eggs from the bodega, tomato, basil, and pumpkin from the farmer's market, and fish, shrimp, and clams at the docks. What? Using semicolons, this becomes much more clear. You should buy cheese, bread, and eggs from the bodega, tomato, basil, and pumpkin from the farmer's market, and fish, shrimp, and clams at the docks. These semicolons make it much more clear what you're talking about. So review the 3 rules. Number 1, replace FANBOYS conjunctions. Number 2, with conjunctive adverbs, THAMO. And number 3, as super commas if the items in the list already have regular commas. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you have a question, let me know below, and I will see you next time.